Hey there, music enthusiasts. If you're tired of Spotify and ready to make the switch to Audiomack in 2025, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm walking you through a complete, step-by-step guide on how to transfer your playlists without losing a single track. Whether you're chasing better features or a fresh vibe, this process is easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need accounts on both Spotify and Audiomack. Make sure you're logged in on a device like your phone or computer. Now, since Spotify doesn't have a direct transfer option to Audiomack, we'll use a reliable third-party service like Soundees or Tune My Music. These tools are free for basic transfers and super user-friendly. Step 1. Head over to a service like Soundees. Sign up if you haven't already, it's quick. Once you're in, select Spotify as your source platform and Audiomack as your destination. You'll need to authorize the app to access your Spotify library, so go ahead and grant those permissions. This is safe and only gives access to your playlists, not your payment info. Next, browse to your Spotify playlists and choose the ones you want to transfer. Hit the transfer button, and the service will start exporting your tracks. Depending on how many songs you have, this might take a few minutes. Keep an eye on the progress bar. Once the export is done, the tool will automatically import your playlists to Audiomack. Log into your Audiomack account within the app, and voila, your playlists should appear. Double check for any missing tracks. Sometimes, availability varies between platforms. Finally, give your new Audiomack playlists a listen and tweak as needed. If you encounter any hiccups, like songs not transferring, it could be due to licensing issues. Just search for alternatives. That's it, you've successfully made the switch. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's keep the music playing. See you in the next video.